Hey guys, the gym is required for a healthy body, and similarly SEO is required to boost the traffic on your websites. Similarly, if you are having a WordPress website, definitely you want what you need the latest Site Kit. Site Kit is an official Google plugin specially designed for the WordPress websites. Because if you have Site Kit, definitely the traffic SEO of your website will zoom. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the latest plugin by Google for all the WordPress website. Keep watching. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and press bell icon, because whenever I bring such type of videos, you get the notifications. So SiteKit is an important plugin for the WordPress sites. So if your site is on WordPress, you're the owner of a site of the WordPress, this is a good news for you. So Google has launched its official plugin for the WordPress. So you can download it at WordPress plugin directory. This plugin really helps you to focus on the traffic, why people are coming to your website, from your site, where people go, and how your content is performing, how to monetize your content. All these questions, if you analyze them properly, definitely will boost the SEO and get more traffic on your website. So this particular plugin gives you a great user interface with all the Google products at one place. When you open the dashboard of your WordPress website, you can see all the Google products at one go. You can see all their statistics at one go, so you can make your decisions at one go. So if you are an owner of a WordPress website, so this plugin is really great for you. Why? Because so if you want to verify your website, now you don't need to add copy and paste code on your website, but you have to just go to Google Search Console, and with just one click you are able to verify your website. You are able to see various statistics on your websites, which helps you to make decisions for the enhancement of the traffic on your website. And there is no need of any coding, it's very quick. If you are an individual or an agency, so it makes your work very easy. You are able to see the aggregate ratings, statistics of your clients. With this plugin, you are able to see the interface of all various Google products at one place, be it like Google Search Console, Page Speed Insights, Google Analytics, or AdSense at one go. You see all their statistics and take decisions then and there. So now you don't have to waste time, because for each product to open that particular account, all are now available inside your own WordPress website dashboard. And in this plugin, you are able to give the various permissions to the clients or your team, so they should use and see what is meant for them to see. So with this plugin, it's really important, like you come to know where the traffic is coming from, where the traffic is going, how you can enhance the traffic, which are the pages which are performing zoom, and which are the pages which are performing zoom. So you take action, timely action, and enhance them. So after you install this, you should take periodically checkups like weeklies, monthlies, like how your pages are performing in that particular duration of time. See the statistics and check the page speed insights. The bounce rate and each and everything is now under your control, and that too inside one dashboard. So just download this plugin now, and do let me know that if it is already installed or you're going to install it today. The Hindi version of this video is provided in the link below. So do subscribe and press bell icon, because whenever I bring such type of videos, you get the notifications. Bye bye.